Stop whatever you're doing. Because if you feel like you're falling behind with AI, you're not, yet. But the window is closing fast. And today, I'll show you how to catch up intelligently. Not by watching random tutorials. Not by chasing hype. But by learning exactly the way the top 1% are doing it right now. Before we start, watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Now let's open strong. Ask yourself, why do some people master AI in weeks, while others stay confused for months? It's not talent. It's not IQ. It's the sequence. Most people study AI backwards. They start with advanced tools. Instead of foundational thinking. They watch 20 tutorials. But remember none. They try everything. And learn nothing. So here's the truth, you're not behind because AI is hard. You're behind because your system is wrong. Today we fix that. Fast. First principle, AI is a language. And languages reward clarity. So your first task isn't learning tools. It's learning how to talk to AI. That means prompts, structure, constraints, context, purpose. Skip this, and everything else collapses. But master this, and tools become easy. Next question, what should you learn first? Not coding. Not automation. Not agents. Start with workflow use cases. Ask, where can AI remove friction for me today? Emails? Research? Ads? Client work? Pick one. Master one. Then stack the next. Skill building is compounding. Not linear. Now here's a blind spot, people think learning AI means learning everything. Wrong. The winners learn selectively. They build one high-value skill. Then automate the rest. Let me pressure test you. If AI disappeared tomorrow, what problem-solving skill would you still have? If the answer is none, you're at risk. So learn AI like a strategist, not a consumer. Categories first. Tools second. Execution third. Example, category, research. Tools, LLMs plus search agents. Execution, summaries, insights, action steps. Once you understand categories, tools stop overwhelming you. Because everything fits logically. Now let's elevate your pace. Here's the trick top performers use, they document every workflow they create. 10 lines. 1 page. That's it. Why? Because documentation prevents relearning. You build a personal AI library. A system that compounds. And makes you faster every week. Most people skip this. That's why they stay stuck. Don't be one of them. Next, learn through projects. Not theory. Build tiny systems. A content generator. A research assistant. A client proposal writer. A campaign analyzer. Each tiny system builds skill. And confidence. And clarity. And earns you money faster. Speaking of money, like this, subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Now let's break your learning path down. Step 1. Learn prompting frameworks. Step 2. Learn structured thinking. Step 3. Learn workflow design. Step 4. Learn automation basics. Step 5. Learn AI tool stacks. Step 6. Create real-world outputs. Step 7. Monetize the skill. This is the proven ladder. Skip steps. You fall. Follow it, you rise. Quickly. Now let's attack your self-doubt. You think everyone is ahead. They're not. Most people still use AI like Google. But you're not here to be most people. You're here to become effective, efficient, and dangerous, in a good way. But that means dropping passive learning and switching to active creation. Make AI produce. Build systems. Don't just copy prompts, create your own. Don't just watch tutorials, rebuild what you see. Don't just learn shortcuts, build workflows. This is how you get ahead. Fast. Now here's something few will tell you: AI doesn't reward early adopters. It rewards fast adapters. And you can become one in weeks. But only if you train properly. Next big lever: daily micro reps. 10 minutes per skill. Every single day. Reps beat motivation. Reps build instinct. Reps build mastery. Not binge watching. Repetition. Now let's clear a myth: you don't need advanced math. You don't need coding. You need thinking, structure, use cases, and execution. That's the game. And most people are playing it wrong. But you're not going to. Now let's talk mistakes. Mistake 1: learning random tools. Mistake 2: no documentation. Mistake 3: no workflow focus. Mistake 4: consuming more than creating. Mistake 5: relying on speed over clarity. Fix these 5, and your improvement curve explodes. Next, build a personal AI skill stack. A stack that fits your goal. Business, marketing, freelancing, data work, creative work. Choose your lane. Build your stack. Stop copying others. Start designing for yourself. That's how to stay ahead sustainably. Not just temporarily. Almost there. Remember this: the people who win in AI aren't the smartest. They're the most intentional, the most systematic, the most adaptable. And now you will be too. Because the window is still open. But not for long. And you're choosing to step through it today. Alright, ready for the final piece? The tool that made me $100 wasn't flashy. Wasn't complex. It was simple. A workflow builder that automated a boring task and saved a client time. That's the secret. Build solutions. Solve friction. AI rewards value, not fascination. If you found this powerful, subscribe. Because I drop these AI money-making tools every week. And I want you ahead, not behind. Tomorrow's upload? It's the one that changes everything. Hit the bell. Don't miss it. And start building. Because you're not behind. Not yet. But only if you move now. Take action today. Small steps. Daily reps. Workflow thinking. Structured prompts. Targeted learning. High value creation. This is your moment. Use it. Build with intent. Focus with discipline. Improve with speed. You're closer than you think. You just need the right path. And now you have it. Stay sharp. Stay early. Stay adaptable. Subscribe. Turn on the bell. And I'll see you tomorrow. Because tomorrow, everything shifts. End.